Welcome back, guys. Today's video, guys, we will be unboxing a Yamaha GIGMAKER guitar. Wow. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching until the end. These are the inclusion, guys, of the backs. We have the Yamaha clip-on chromatic tuner. Then we have the guitar strap, a black one. Then we've got three picks, like white, red, and black picks. And then we got the I think this one is a manual, something like that. And then the bag, guitar bag, black one. And then the guitar itself. So look at that. Wow, ang kintab, guys. And the strings, guys, no rust, no, unlike the other some of the guitars, guitar strings, meron daw rust. Grabe ang kintab, guys. Made by perfection, guy. Wow. Yamaha GIGMAKER guitar. Wow. The best, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye-bye.